HOWO dump trucks have unparalleled versatility in harsh environments. Powerful engine ensures smooth driving, even on rough roads. Spacious cab provides comfort for long working hours. Key components are easily accessible, making maintenance easier. These features make HOWO dump trucks a wise investment in the South African industrial sector. HOWO dump trucks are designed to maximize production efficiency. Its hydraulic dump system ensures fast unloading of material. The center of gravity design improves stability on steep slopes. These features make it an ideal partner for demanding jobs.